Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you all are using the fun tool. Yes, in the previous video, we have taken a revision of symmetry chapter. In that, we have taken the line of symmetry. Yes, now in today's video, I am continuing with symmetry chapter, but the topic is rotational symmetry and order of symmetry. Okay, now you can see the question on the screen. A shape has no rotational symmetry. What is its order of symmetry? Okay, now what is rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry means a figure is rotated along the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, so it has the rotational symmetry. Many of the figure doesn't have a rotational symmetry. That means if I rotate it with any angle, it doesn't look the exactly same figure. Okay, now the question you have to solve this. A shape has no rotational symmetry. If the figure has no rotational symmetry, that means in complete full rotation, that means 360 degree. After 360 degree, it shows the exactly the first figure. Okay, then that figure has order of symmetry 1. Okay, if it doesn't have the rotational symmetry, then its order will be 1. Let's take next example. An equilateral triangle ABC is rotated as shown below. Okay, the equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. If I rotate that, you can see it gives the similar first figure, but the points will be different. Okay, now does the triangle has rotational symmetry? Yes, it has a rotational symmetry. Why? Because if I rotate it, it gives the first figure. Yes, now see in the second rotation, I have rotated that, so it gives the first figure. That means it has rotational symmetry. And if yes, what is the order of rotational symmetry? Now when you are counting the order of rotational symmetry, that times neglect the original figure. Okay, now see the second, third and fourth. That means first, 2 and 3. So order will be 3. Okay, so write there 3. So its order is 3. Let's check the rotational symmetry of the figure below about the point mark. Now where is the point mark? Blue mark. According to that, we have to rotate that. Means if I take with 90 degree, it is vertical figure. Yes, and if I rotate with 180 degree, it look exactly the same as first one. That means it has rotational symmetry. So the answer is yes. Now if yes, what is the order of symmetry? Okay, now see, look, I have rotated this first figure. If I rotate with 90 rotation, 90 degree rotation, it is vertical figure. If I rotate it 180 degree, then the second figure you will get, it look like the exactly first one, and in the 360 degree also it look exactly the first figure. We don't have to count the first original figure. Now see how many times it look like the same as first one. Only 2 times it looks exactly the same one. Yes, in the third rotation, yes, in 180 and in the 360. Okay, it look exactly the first one. So third and fifth one, so 2 times it looks same, so its order will be 2. Okay students, understand the order of rotational symmetry. Let's take another. What is the order of rotational symmetry of a regular hexagon? First you have to draw the hexagon. Hexagon means it has 6 sides and all its 6 sides will be equal because it is hexagon. Okay, so hexagon has 6 sides and all sides are equal. If I rotate that according to its center, about its center, then it has a rotational symmetry. Okay, and its order will be 6 because 6 times it look exactly the same. How? Just see in the figure. If I rotate with first 60 degree, it look exactly the same as first one. If I rotate with another 60, that means 120 degree, it look exactly the first one. That means 6 times it look exactly the first figure in 360 degree. How many times it look exactly the given figure, that we have to count. That count is called degree of rotation, that means order of rotation. Okay students, let's take another. Does a parallelogram have rotational symmetry, and if yes, what is its order of symmetry? First, what is parallelogram? How the parallelogram look like? Okay, you know how the parallelogram look like? Yes students, see, this is a figure of parallelogram, and if I rotate that, it has a rotational symmetry, and in complete full 360 degree rotation, it two times it look exactly the first one. See, in the third and fifth one, two times it look the same, so order will be 2. Yes, order will be 2, and the first answer is yes, because it has rotational symmetry, so yes. And what is its order? Its order will be 2. Okay, now what is the order of symmetry of rhombus? First, draw the rhombus. This is for you. Pause the video, draw the rhombus. It look the parallelogram, but in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, it is similar to parallelogram. Now what is the order of rhombus? Draw that fast and tell me the order of symmetry for rhombus. Yes students, you have drawn? Okay, then rotate that. How many times it look exactly as the first figure rhombus? Yes, just check your answer. Is your answer is like mine? Yes, this is the answer, and it has a order 2, because 2 times it look the same as first one. Okay, so the answer is 2. Understand? Let's take another. Now this is a figure of trapezium. The non-parallel sides are equal. You can see the parallel sides, left side and right side. Okay, non-parallel, they are non-parallel, sorry, and upper and the bottom lines are parallel. Okay, the shape has dash symmetry. It has order of symmetry or not, you have to check it. Okay, let's see the answer. See, the line is according to center, it has a line of symmetry. Okay, now let's now check its rotational symmetry. How many times the figure look exactly as the first one? In any of the figure it looks the first one? No, it doesn't look as first one, so its order will be only 1, because after 360 degree it looks the same as first one. So the order of symmetry is 1, and the shape has 1 line of symmetry. Okay, understand this? Let's take another. Look at the figure below. You can see it is look like the oval shape or something circle. The figure has dash symmetry, 1 line of symmetry, 2 line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry we have to find? Okay, and its order of rotational symmetry about the point mark in the given figure is. Okay, now see, the figure is look like C. Yes, it is a figure of C. It has line of symmetry according to horizontal line. Okay, and in only 1 complete rotation, that means after 360 degree, it look exactly the same, so its order of symmetry will be 1. Okay, and it has how many line of symmetry? Only 1. Okay students, understand this topic? Now see, this is a figure of Z. The figure Z has 1 line of symmetry or 2 line of symmetry, or it doesn't have line of symmetry. You have to check, and what will be its order, you have to tell me. This question is for you. Draw the rotational symmetry of that and tell me the answer. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC, but it is not equals to BC. That means it is a figure of isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and third side is not equal. Okay, so triangle ABC has dash exactly line of symmetry and its order of symmetry is dash. Okay, now this is a figure of isosceles triangle. It has rotational symmetry and its order of symmetry is 1. So it has exactly one line of symmetry and its order will be 1. Okay, understand this? Now an equilateral triangle has an order of symmetry 3. What is its angle of rotation? Now in equilateral triangle, that means all sides are equal and its order is 3. Okay, 360 in full complete rotation, it look exactly 3 times same. So what will be its order of rotation? Either 60, either 120 or 180 or 90. Yes, its order will be 90. Yes students or no? You have to write the answer. Now what is the angle of rotation of an object whose order of rotational symmetry is 2? Okay, if the order of rotational symmetry of a figure is 2, then the object with rotational symmetry 2, we have to rotate it with 180 degree. Okay, so the angle of rotation is 180 degree. Now a shape has rotational symmetry. It has an angle of rotation of 45 degree. Okay, its order of rotational symmetry is, what is the order of rotational symmetry for that? Now you can see we have to take the multiples of 45 till 360. Okay, so 45, then 90, then 135, then 180, then 225, then 270, 315 and last is 360. This means within one full complete rotation, the object look exactly as its starting position 8 times. Yes, so its order of rotational symmetry is 8. Right here 8. Okay. Now a shape has rotational symmetry. Okay, it has an angle of rotation 120, similar to previous example. In that we have taken the multiple of 45. Here we have to took the multiples of 120. First will be 120, second will be 240. Yes, then we have to complete this 360. That means it has 3 rotational symmetry. So its order will be how much? 2 times. Okay, check your answer. Now see, 0, 120, 240, 360. That means in 4 rotation will be there. So 4 minus 1, because the first we are not considering. So 3 its order. Now a square has rotational symmetry. What is its angle of rotation? How we have to rotate that? With 60 degree or with 120 or 90 or 180? Yes, according to which we have to rotate that. Now see, the rotational symmetry means the number of times it look exactly the same. So square look the same 4 times during a rotation. That means we have to rotate that with 90 degree. Okay, if I rotate that with 90 degree, it look exactly the same as square first. Okay, now a regular hexagon has rotational symmetry. Just now in this video we have solved the hexagon question. Yes, in that if we rotate that with 60 degree, then it shows the rotation of order 6. Okay. Now this question is of pentagon. A regular pentagon has rotational symmetry. What is its angle of rotation? First, see these are the options. And what is the shape of pentagon? Pentagon means it has having 5 sides. Okay, a pentagon look exactly the same as 5 times during one complete rotation. So the order of rotational will be 72. 360 divided by 5. So answer will be 72. Whatever the answer will be there, 72. Okay. Let's take another one. A shape has rotational symmetry. If angle of rotation is 180 degree, which of these could be this shape? Okay. In which shape the degree of rotation is 180? In a rhombus, an irregular hexagon, or a square, or a right angle triangle, in which we have to do the rotation according to 180. See, in the rhombus has rotational symmetry too. If that rhombus is rotated according to 180 degree, then it has the rotational symmetry, order of rotation 2. So its angle will be 180 degree. Okay. Now this question is for you. Pause the video and try to solve. It is similar to previous example. A shape has rotational symmetry. An angle of rotation is 40 degree given. Which of these could be the shape? We have to guess the shape of that. Okay. If the 40 degree is there, then what will be the shape? Pause the video and try to solve this. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is 40 degree means 4 9s are 36. So it has order of symmetry 9, which is a 9-sided polygon or nonagon. Okay, that means 9-sided. 40 till 360 complete. We how many degrees will be there in between that? 40, then 80, then 120, like this. Okay, we have to count how many rotations are there, how many numbers, 9. So it should be 9-sided regular polygon. Okay. Now this question is for you because it has 4-sided, and out of which it is there, this will be a square. Okay, or a rhombus, or a parallelogram, or a rectangle. Out of these 4, which will be the answer? You have to tell me. This question is for you. This is an homework for you. In the next video, we are going to take a new topic. Okay, till then practice as many questions as you can. Okay.